Hello everyone. Visual Studio Code is already a powerful code editor, but with the right extensions, you can take your productivity to the next level. In this video, we will explore the top 10 VS Code extensions that every developer should know. Let's dive into the video. At number 1 is the Prettier. The Prettier extension for VS Code is a popular code formatter that ensures consistent styling across the various programming languages, including JavaScript, TypeScript, and many other languages. It automatically formats code according to the predefined rules, improving readability and maintainability. To simply install it, search for Prettier Code Formatter in VS Code and install it simply. Second, we have ESlint. It is a static code analysis tool for identifying problems in your JavaScript code. With this extension, will highlight those problems provided you have ESlint enabled in the workspace or globally. Check your code for the syntax error and highlights error to make sure you can quickly find and fix them. ESlint is a linter that you can integrate in your Visual Studio Code setup to ensure code integrity. Next, we have ErrorLens. ErrorLens is a perfect companion to spell checker, ESLint, and other extensions that add language diagnostics. It will highlight the entire line when possible and show the error message in the line. With ErrorLens enabled, ErrorLens enhances VS Code's inbuilt diagnostic highlighting. Next, we have Material Icon Theme Extension. Icon Theme Extension updates your Explorer icons to Material icons, which looks so much nicer. The Material Icon theme is a popular VS Code extension that enhances the appearance of file and folder in the Explorer using Google's Material Design. It provides a modern and clean look with support for various file types and folder structure. User can easily customize the theme by changing the folder style, associating specific icon with file extensions. The next extension we have the LiveServer extension for VS Code. It allows developers to launch a local development server with live reloading for static and dynamic web pages. It automatically refreshes the browser whenever the changes are made to the HTML, CSS, or JS file, improving the development workflow. To install it, simply search the LiveServer in the VS Code extension marketplace and install it. Next, we have AutoRename tag extension for VS Code, which automatically renames paired HTML or XML tag when which is edited, improving coding efficiency. It works in real time, ensuring that opening and closing tags stay synchronized. To install, simply search AutoRename tag in the VS Code extension marketplace and install it. For next extension, it is a bigger one. Have you ever worked with more than one project with different VS Code windows? It can get confusing. Here's a simple solution. To have different color for each VS Code window using an extension called Peacock. Peacock, we can easily set different colors for each window. The Peacock extension for VS Code allows developer to change the color for editor window, making it easier and distinguishable for multiple open projects. Next extension is Auto OpenMarkdown. It This extension will automatically open the Markdown preview for the VS Code side by side when a .md file is opened. This improves productivity by providing a real-time preview of the Markdown content. To install, search for Auto Markdown preview in the VS Code extension marketplace. Install it and it works automatically. Have you ever been in the situation where you need to run a code snippet? Well, VS Code has an extension called CodeRunner. CodeRunner can run code snippet for many different languages from C to a language called Zik. Once you install the CodeRunner, you can go to the display button on the top right corner. The CodeRunner extension for VS Code allows user to simply execute the code and run it. User can customize the execution setting, output behavior, and terminal preferences in the setting.json file. And lastly, we have the GitHub Copilot extension for VS Code, which is an AI powered coding assistant that provides real time code suggestions, auto completions, and entire function implementations. It supports multiple programming languages and enhances productivity by analyzing context and predicting the next line of code. To install, search for GitHub Copilot in the VS Code extension marketplace, install it, and sign it with the GitHub account that has an active Copilot subscription. User can enable or disable Copilot for a specific language and customize its behavior in the settings.json. So that's it for this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. More videos will keep coming like